students, welcome to our English lesson. So, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So, let's start our lesson. Look at the screen. Mausoleum of Aisha Bibi. Today we'll talk about this theme. Do you know how was this mausoleum was created? We'll find out during the lesson.
In this lesson, we will learn new vocabulary related to the topic, listen and read for specific information. Don't forget to take your notebook, a pen or a pencil to make notes. First, students, let's get acquainted with the new vocabulary and then let's see what these words mean. I'll read and you please listen and repeat. Beg, curse, delicate, empire, faithful, kingdom, mausoleum, nanny, noble, park, patent, poisonous, refuse, region, tile. Let's do it one more time together. Beg, curse, delicate, empire, faithful, kingdom, mausoleum, nanny, noble, park, patent, poisonous, refuse, region, tile. Open your student's book, page number 60, exercise number 1.
In the Taraz region of southern Kazakhstan, there stands a beautiful and mysterious building from many years ago. Hundreds of delicate pattern tiles decorate every wall of the building. It is called the Mausoleum of Aisha Bibi, and although its true origins are lost in history, there is a local legend that tells the tragic story of Aisha Bibi and her death. A long time ago, the great Khan of Taraz, Kara Khan, travelled to Samarkand. While he was walking along the streets of that great city, Kara Khan came across Aisha Bibi, the beautiful daughter of Kaki Mata. When Kara Khan and Aisha Bibi saw each other, they both fell in love. Kara Khan went to Aisha's father to ask if he could marry his daughter, but Kaki Mata refused. Although Kara Khan was a Khan, his kingdom was still very small at that time, and he had less money than Kaki Mata. There was nothing he could say to change Kaki Mata's mind. Before he left, Aisha Bibi and Kara Khan made a secret promise to marry each other. A few weeks passed, but Aisha Bibi had no news from Kara Khan. She decided to travel to Taraz to find him. Her mother helped her pack a few things to take with her and sent her old nanny Babaja Khatun with her. But as Kaki Mata saw his daughter riding away, he shouted a curse after her. "You will cross 6 rivers, but you will not cross the 7th. The two women rode north for weeks until they saw the city of Taraz in the distance. Before they crossed the 7th river, they stopped so Aisha could bathe, forgetting her father's curse. Just then, a poisonous snake leapt from under a rock and bit her. The poison was fast. Aisha Bibi begged her nanny to ride ahead to Taraz and bring Kara Khan to her. The old woman rode as fast as she could, but when Kara Khan arrived, Aisha Bibi died in his arms. The noble Kara Khan ordered that a beautiful mausoleum would be built in the exact place that she died. Her faithful nanny, Babaja Khatun, guarded the mausoleum until her own death. Karakan later founded the great Karakanid Empire and became a powerful and wise Khan. He lived for many years but never married. When he died, he asked to be buried somewhere facing the beautiful Mausoleum of Aisha Bibi. To this day, women who are getting married visit the mausoleum to ask for happiness and children. The legend says that anyone who visits the Mausoleum of Aisha Bibi on their wedding day will have a long and happy marriage.
Exercise 2. Read the extract again and for questions 1, 2, 3, choose the correct answer A, B or C. Екінші жаттығу. Берілген текстті оқи отырып, осында берілген сұрақтарға жауап береміз. And the next task, exercise number 3. Who does what? Read and complete the sentences. Use Karahan, Aisha Bibi, Babaja Khatun, Hakimata. Үшінші жаттығу. Мәтінге сүйене отырып, әр сөйлемге сәйкес келетін есімді жазамыз. Now check your progress. Try to say or write what you can do. For example, I can read for specific information, or I understand how to express opinion. That's all for today. See you next lesson. I hope you have understood well all the material we have learned.